How to fix login problem on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat login problem solved. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically it's a very pretty simple method that you can apply and fix your login problem on Snapchat. So first of all, what you need to do here, you just need to go to your phone settings on your device, and then after going to phone settings, here guys, this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, you just need to search for one option, that is apps. Here you can see apps, or in other device it will be written as install apps or application management. So just tap on it and go to the app manage apps or app list. So here this is the place where all the application has been installed to your phone will be available here. So here you just need to search for Snapchat by scrolling down, or if you don't find, you just need to click on this search bar on the top. You just need to search here Snapchat. Here you can see I have just got the Snapchat, but I'm gonna show you by scrolling down. Okay, so here let me just scroll down. It will be on here. You can see this is the one. Simply tap on it, and here you guys, what you need to do here, you just need to click on storage option. Simply tap on storage usage or storage, and then you have to click on clear data. Simply tap on clear data, and then make sure that you clear data and also the cache. Okay, after doing this, just go back and click on app permission option. As you can see here, app permission, this option will be available in every phone, every devices. Okay, so but the font will be different and the place will be different. So just tap on app permission, and here you have to allow each and every permission out here. You can just decline call logs and notification, I mean like a location, sorry. So now after doing this, just click on the last option, that is restrict data usage. Okay, just tap here, and here you can see you have, make sure to enable this bot. Just click on OK, and then you can just go back and check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then the last and the final tricks you can apply and fix this problem is that you have to uninstall your Snapchat. And after uninstalling the Snapchat, you have to reinstall from Google Play Store. Okay, after reinstalling, you just need to switch off your phone and then restart your phone, and then the problem will absolutely solve. So guys, if you really liked it, and if it is really helpful for you, then please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.